He's got his pack here with his wetsuit and all that, and we got a helmet here with his light. And we got the same thing here. This is my pack. For some reason, Ryder wants to carry the biggest pack we got. Probably weighs 35, 40 pounds. But anyway, I got my helmet with a camera mount and 2 lights and my wetsuit and all that stuff, and food and water and candles. And we got Kathleen here, and she's got her pack with a pink helmet, yeah, and a light. And then I'm carrying Ryder's pack because for some reason he wants to carry the big one. So I guess I'm doing the heavy lifting today. Anyway, let's go do this. Okay, Ryder decided to take his pack back, so I got mine now. Okay, we just made it to the caves again. We're about to start putting on all of our gear, and then we're gonna go in. You ready for this?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Avengers assemble. Avengers assemble. Avengers. Butterfly. No, you're not.
Okay, we'll do this the same way as last time. Just crawl right through that way.
So what do I do?
Come down right there. And then step on my feet. It'll start warming up.
Alright. How are we gonna get up this? Climb up that?
Yep.
Okay. What's it, Mom? Ready?
Yeah. How you doing?
There's a little hole right there.
Oh, that's so cool.
Okay. You want me to swim across?
Yeah, let me get in here first.
Alright. I'm gonna have to pee. Dad, is it okay if I jump to that ledge?
Honey, I want to do this the safe way today. Okay?
Alright.
If you kind of walk around here, you might be able to make it without having to get in all the way.
Now I'm gonna get all the way.
All right, come on then.
Ready? Okay.
Come on then, Ryder. Nice, dude.
Okay, I'm gonna walk around. Alright. There. Turn my hip a little bit. Guys, is it okay if I step on your foot?
Yeah. Of course, always. That's so cool. There's an underwater cave in there.
There is?
Yeah, this turns into a tunnel. There's a cave in there.
Oh, that isn't too warm.
Yeah. Good job, Ryder. Alright, Hunter. You're next. Just get in. Alright, now climb up. Put your knee in. Put your knee. Yes, you can. Calm. Hey, calm down.
Calm down, Hunter.
Calm down.
There you go. See? You got it.
You did it. See? Good job. Alright, let's get out of your mom's way. Woo! Oh! This one's deep. And there's nothing to grab onto to pull yourself up. Hang on. Hang on. Alright, I think what you're going to have to do is I'm going to have to help pull you up. Let's go. Yeah. Alright. Carefully. That's why you got that helmet. Thank God for it, huh? Okay, Hunter. Nice. Well done. Use your strength. All your strength. Okay. Woo! You did it, baby. How did they get up there? Nice. Good job, baby. Huh? I'm unaware.
This is a nice chilling spot right here.
It does kind of look like it opens up into something over there, huh? Ah! Head first. Ah. Oh my God. Okay. Ah. Wow. That was crazy. Yeah, come on in here. Hey, look, and it opens up there too, but it looks like it just kind of goes to the surface. This is a tight squeeze, Ryder. What was he saying? Come on, Ryder. It goes further back, Ryder. Yeah. Okay. Now, this might be the end of it. Over here. Yeah! Nice. Good squeeze. Alright, Ryder, go up that way and see what's up there.
Up there?
Yeah, there's no way to go this way. Looks like there could be an entrance up there.
Yeah. And yeah, you can see light up here.
Good job, Hunter. Are you right behind him, Kat?
Yeah, I'm coming. Hey, Dad. She said, yeah, I'm coming. You can reach the surface right here. It's right there.
Nice, dude.
Yeah.
Kat, there's an exit out here if you wanted to get out and go dry off or something. Just come on through. There's an entrance right here. There's an entrance here, Ryder.
Yeah?
Uh-huh. Super difficult. I don't think you could climb out of it. Oh yeah, I'm out. Uh-huh. If you want to tell Mom there's one tight squeeze. And then
Jiggly jacks. Jiggly jacks. Jiggly jacks. Jiggly jacks.
Oh my gosh. Alright, so we just came up out of the cave. Right here. And we had some lunch.
Good idea.
Now we're getting ready to go back in the cave
Yeah.
and explore it even further.
Yeah.
We've already gone probably a quarter of a mile, maybe an eighth of a mile. I don't know. It's hard to judge.
It's a quarter mile.
Probably quarter mile. And let me see for a frame of reference. Oh yeah. Yeah, quarter mile. So that means there's still another mile and a quarter of this cave left to go that we haven't explored. And we're just going to see how far we can take it. If you liked our video, please like and subscribe and comment below. Hit that notification bell so you'll see when we go on our next adventure. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching.